All right, working through a couple of these. The first one's super duper simple. Remember, you just change your signs here, so that would make that 9 and -2 for your answers. Okay, going over here to problem number 2, this is going to be a difference of squares. So remember, we're going to start with the square root of the first, the square root of the second, 1 plus and 1 minus, which would make your answers -5 and 5. Okay, going through the rest of these, you're going to notice that all the way down until number 8, okay, that they are all factoring problems. Okay, a couple of them are a little different, okay, meaning like on number 3, we're just going to do the X box, which means we set up our numbers, okay. Number 4, same way, so for this is X box bottoms up, so you've got to multiply here to get your numbers. Okay, same thing here, you're going to multiply. Okay, but then 6 and 8 are not set equal to 0. So make sure you rearrange there. So it's going to give you w squared minus 2w minus 15. So when you draw your x, it's -15 and -2. All right, so I'll work out 7 and 8. 7, it's going to be a GCF problem, so I'm going to factor out my 3x. And that makes my answers 0 and 4. Okay, number 8, once I get it set equal to 0, I'm going to multiply first times last. So that's going to give me 8 and -3. Okay, so that gave me w plus 8 and w minus 3. Those need to be divided by 6. Okay, and that does reduce. So this takes me down to 4 over 3. And this one takes me to 1 over 2. And then whenever I solve those out, that's going to give me an answer of -4/3 and an answer of +1/2. All right, and then I'm going to walk through parts of number 9 for you. Okay, when I distribute here, that's going to give me 1/3 times 3x is just x. 1/3 times 9 is 3. Now it is a simple two-step equation, or variables on both sides equation. All right, and then I'll do one of each 11 and 12. Okay, so there's a 10 and a 13, I think, and that should be all that's on your worksheet. The floor of a rectangular cage has a width that is 7 feet less than its length. Okay, so we're going to make its length x, and then its width is going to be x minus 7. Okay, both dimensions are increased by 12, so we need to go in here and we need to add 12 to both of these. Okay, so that makes the new area x plus 12 times x plus 5. And when you distribute that out, that should give you x squared plus 17x plus 60. Okay, and the second one down here, the perimeter of a given rectangle is 16x plus 12. The length is 3x plus 5. So I know that my length is 3x plus 5. That means my other length is also 3x plus 5. Okay, so I've got two widths over here. So add these together. So 6x plus 10 plus 2 of our widths equals 16x plus 12. You're going to rearrange from here. And then divide by 2 to get your width. And your width is 5x plus 1.